Alright, welcome back to the Custom Lego Kid, and it's been a while because I tried to make a video sending Lego guys in a bottle rocket, but it didn't really work. So here we are with a new video, and this time we're going to be building some homes, or maybe one home because it might take a little bit. Okay, so here's our cozy little house here. Got the frame of it, shag carpet, and a fireplace. So I think what we're gonna want to do is build up these walls here, maybe with some windows, and up to the glass aisle. So I think these ones right here are going to be pretty good. If you can find enough of them. I know where I have a stash of these. Alright, so you know what? We're going to build up the walls with the brown bricks and the glass panes. And so here we go. Okay, so we have built up the walls and the windows of our cozy winter cabin, and so now we have armchairs, a homeowner, bookshelf, and books. And so I'm gonna show you designing and building them, and some ways to install them. And so I suggest a 4x3 because you'll have room for the armrests and the minifigure's butt, and then you also have room for the minifigure's butt in the back. So that's the base, and then you want to have slopes or angles here, and a slope or angle here, and make sure that the slope or angle is not pushing the minifigure's head forward or pushing the arms way up. I kept that rule in mind when building this one too. Oh, you can't see that, can you? This one. And so this one I think is a little nicer because it has the detail and also this really good slope. Moving on to the bookshelf. It has 2 levels for more books. Yeah. And so, I cheated a little with a 1x2 jumper plate there. And so, I have 1x2, 1x4 jumper plate, which has a little space in the middle, but still studs to build up the sides. And I find that very useful, but if you want to make a bigger one, for a library or something, then I suggest a 2x6 or a 2x8 normal plate and have tiles in the middle and still build up the side. And so about the books, so I found out that a lot of the books in my house and at the local library were red, brown, and blue, and white, but white is better for exterior decorations in winter. So this book is about medieval history. This is a picture book for children. And this is about the sea, and this is about marketing. Don't ask. My dad has a bunch of books about marketing, because that's what he works at. So I'm going to show you how to install them. And you'll notice on April Fool's, I have a blooper video about installing the bookshelf. Okay, you gotta move, guys. Okay, so, how do I do this? Alright, so we're gonna put the bookshelf. I'm gonna put the bookshelf right over here in the corner. You can see it from the side, but that's okay. And then, we're gonna take the books. Wonderful. Take the books and slide them in there. try to make like little, you know, differences in the color coding and also spacing between all the books. And it looks a lot nicer that way, so it's not like all the same. Like for example, I'll show you in a sec here. The top I have red and blue, and the bottom I have brown and red. And so these are apart and those are together. And I could switch those red ones, but I won't because it's time consuming to take them all out and slot them back in. And so about the armchairs, this one you want to find the round stud in there and put it on the jumper plate. I'm watching this through the camera. Watching how I'm doing this through the camera. So, and then the other one, again, find the round centerpiece. No. Centerpiece, because if it's off, it'll cause space problems. So look at that. It's beautifully decorated with things to do and places to sit. And then we'll put our homeowner and his nice sweater that I got from the Harry Potter set right in there. And there we go. So I hadn't planned time for building a peaked roof. Like if you look in the background there, I have army guys. I'll explain that in another video. And also this other house, which is my house that I'm building peaked roof for. You can use the Minecraft style, or you can use other styles. If you want to learn about these other styles, type that in the comments, or if you want to do a bit, or if you want to like know how to build a bit plane, or fishing stuff. Because my dad and I went fishing like a lot in the winter. Only guess what? The winter is no fish catching season, as I put it. Alright, anyway, thank you so much for watching Custom Lego Kit Out, and see you next time.